Abdullah ibn Abbas was the cousin of the Prophet. He accepted Islam as a young boy and grew up close to the Messenger of Allah. The Prophet made a special dua for him, asking Allah to give him wisdom and deep understanding of the Qur'an. This dua became reality, as Ibn Abbas later became the greatest scholar of Quranic tafsir. He narrated around 1660 hadiths. His sharp mind and ability to explain made him a reference for many companions. People called him the interpreter of the Qur'an. He was also known as the scholar of this ummah. Ibn Abbas dedicated his life to teaching and spreading knowledge. Even the older companions would come to learn from him. He preserved both hadith and Quranic explanation with great accuracy. His contributions shaped Islamic scholarship for centuries. He was humble, patient, and full of wisdom. His students spread his knowledge across the Muslim world. Ibn Abbas lived a life of devotion to knowledge and service to Islam. He passed away in Taif in the year 687 CE. His legacy continues to shine through every book of tafsir and hadith. Abdullah ibn Abbas remains one of the most important figures in Islamic history. Subscribe, like and share Trusstoria channel.